I had an idea, write a book, write it in Shawshank Redemption, and then launch it with Hollywood celebrities. It didn't come to me all in one download, but it kind of came to me over a period of short days. And guess what? I wrote the book, Day Job to Dream Job. Here I am, sitting in Shawshank Prison right now in Mansfield, Ohio. I didn't even know Shawshank Prison was in Mansfield, Ohio. I was just watching the rerun because it plays 305 times a day, right, on cable. And I said, I got to write a book about how you're stuck in your day job, your prison, and how you can go into your dream job, your Zihuatanejo. And I'm like, hey, I'm going to make this happen. And so my wife said, you're crazy, you're going to drive up and go to jail? What are you doing? You know, she said, how are you even going to get in there? I said, I don't know. But I started applying some of these principles, and sure enough, why did I want to do it? Because I had a big why. If I can partner with Hollywood celebrities, the #1 movie of all time, it outranks The Godfather even, I could then write a book about this. It would totally get me on the map. And sure enough, it happened. They had a reunion the same year that my book released, and guess what? It was in the LA Times, it was in the New York Times, Shawshank 20 years later, and guess who became the Shawshank author on their website? Me! Someone said, you're Stephen King, by the way, he wrote Shawshank. I'm like, no. Well, they advertised me as the Shawshank author, okay? And I was right below the celebrities. So there's celebrities, and then Kary. Pretty crazy? Absolutely. Here's me with the warden. Okay? This is real stuff. Here's me at the cocktail party. I just did my book signing, had this idea, and here's me. And there he said, to Kary, from the warden, to a real Christian. And sure enough, he launched my book. What book is he holding? My book. Is this crazy or what? But it happened. It happened. That's why I'm passionate about this, because I've seen it change people's lives.